Welcome to the WebLedger. While we have specifically curated solutions for all your business needs and our clients love it, during our interaction with them, we figured out some other services that require daily activity. So we have curated a special category, the other services category, which enables us to manage our DSC or documents flow. Let's get right into it and see how. Once you log into your account, select the other services options and select the DSC option from the drop-down. This screen will appear in front of you. This is one place where you can track all your DSCs. You can create another entry of DSC, click on the client details, select the expiry date for the DSC, select the box number, put in a password, select the color, and that's it. Save. This will create a new DSC entry for you that will be visible here. Let us look at what are the other particulars available. This also features an in and out tab where you can ensure when did the DSC move out of your firm and when did it come back. In order to update the in-out status, all you have to do is to simply select the number, click on the add in status, update the date, mention the name, add a remark if you want, and save. Replicate the process in order to add an out status. There's a status tab that explains if the DSC is active or if it is expired. This will also help you filter all the DSCs that are active together in one single list. If you click on the expired DSC option here, it filters out all the expired DSCs for you. We can see the created date and the phone number column here. Alternatively, you can order for a DSC, fill in all the details as per your requirement, the profile, the class, classify it as a sign or sign and encrypt, ensure it is for 2 years or 3 years basis your requirement, select the vendor, make the payment after the client details are put in, and you can order for a DSC. Once you do that, you can also filter all the ordered DSCs that will be visible here. There's also a filter icon here which helps you classify these DSCs based on the color that you have selected or the type and the dates that they've been created or they'll be expiring. This can also help you track what DSC is expiring soon so that you can reapply. Moving on to the other services that we offer, documents in and out. Here, you can maintain a record for all the documents that come in and that go out of your firm. Add a new record, select if it is a check-in or a checkout task, enter the document name, select the client name that the document is applicable to, the check-in date and time, who is the delivery person and their contact details, upload the document that is coming in or going out, and simply save and add. This will create a new task that will be visible here, and you can track all the documents at one single place. In order to customize the screen based on your liking, check the customize columns, select all the columns that you need, date and time, status, and click on save. There's also a filter icon if you want to filter the documents based on their date. If I select 2024, move on to August, select a date and filter, this filters the document for me. The other services module is for you to track the documents and the DSC coming in and out. We hope this helps. Thank you for joining in at the WebLedger office.